Hello friends, wish you all a happy and a healthy new year. The year 2020 has taught us many things, and one of them is effective communication through various audio-visual mediums. It also taught us how technology has taken a precedence and can be best utilized to our benefit on our personal and professional fronts. No Filter is one such initiative to reach out to our stakeholders and connect with a wider range of audience to share our thoughts, experiences, and interact with everyone through various social media platforms. I must emphasize that the leadership team at Fleetguard has always welcomed new ideas, concepts to work on them to the benefit of our company. One of the management philosophy we emphasize is the theory of constraints as back as 2006, which helped us immensely in the growth and success of Fleetguard. Since the implementation of TOC, our management has timely ensured that the TOC methodology gets percolated among all our associates, gets implemented and practiced across all functions and their processes. We can proudly say that TOC has steadily become the DNA of Fleetguard. TOC helps identify and work on the weakest link and constraint and eventually accelerates in achieving the company's goal, which is to make profit now and in future. Hence, on the business march, we have to always ensure that the constraint is outside of the organization and is always the market. This means internally we must always ensure to have enough protective capacity in our in-house and suppliers' manufacturing lines and our people who are our resources in the chain. Hence, in line with the business plan and market trend, capacity constraint review is one disciplined activity we do at Fleetguard on all our production lines with a set frequency. Our employees identify and execute the exploitation opportunities to keep the capital and conversion costs low. Another need for growth and for customer preference is to develop new products fastest, much faster than the competition can do. In Fleetguard, critical chain project management tailored to our nature of projects is being practiced, refined, and perfected for more than 12 years. Our employees and the suppliers achieve this faster flow of task and project completion through a unique blend of quality system, aggressive project planning, and active task management, which is a culture of project execution based on systematic, structured, and effective communication model. Our company's no filter philosophy allows us encourage our employees to express and communicate their ideas, issues, problems, and possible solutions to the management without fear or complex. We shall talk more on this with our stakeholders as we move forward. Thank you.